Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Leidy Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to replace a warped ceiling fan blade. For this you're going to need a couple things. You'll need a Phillips head bit, which we've hooked to a battery powered drill. A screwdriver works too, and some replacement sealing. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the light kit. Take your screwdriver, remove the screws. After that's down, you're going to go right in here and start removing your blades. On the back side of your blades, there's 3 screws. You'll go ahead and remove those. And there's your old ceiling fan blade. Next, you're going to get your new blade. And taking your blade, you'll make sure that you put the nice trim side to the same side that you want facing down, and put your screws back in. Now, just take your screwdriver and snug them up. After you have the ceiling fan blade put all back together, you're going to take and reinstall it on your fan. And if you're replacing all 5, go ahead and do it the same exact way. Hook your light kit back up and you're done. I'm Joshua Clement with Leidy Contractors. We just discussed how to replace a ceiling fan blade. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.